Welcome to the Asian Post. South Asian country Bangladesh is suffering flood for the fourth time in this same year, and the latest one in the month of August has made a history of misery for the country after 1988. As monsoon rain kept on pouring and overflowing the rivers in the country as well as the upstream hilly regions of neighboring country, mainly India, Bangladesh is currently facing a flood affecting the Brahmaputra-Jamuna river basin. The northern, northeastern, and central part of the country are experiencing flood from the Saturday night because neighboring most friendly country India opened its all 54 gates of Gajoldoba Barrage of Tista River. As a result, around 6 million people are reported to be affected by it. According to Bangladesh Water Development Board, India constructed the barrage in 1998 around 60 km long upstream area for control natural water flow. As of August 18, 2017, approximately 6 million people affected and around 0.7 million houses damaged in 24 districts of Bangladesh. The most affected districts are Dinajpur, Kurigram, Lalmanirat, Rangpa, Naojaon, Sarajanjay, Jamalpur, Bagra, Tangal, Netrokona, Sylhet and Sunamganj, Gaybandha, and Thakurgaon, Punchagarha. Total 156 people reported killed in this current flooding. As per current reports, during last 48 hours water level of 56 points have been increased and 32 decreased out of 90 monitored points, and water of 30 rivers points is flowing above danger line, with the waters of the Jamuna, Padma, Surma, and Brahmaputra rivers expected to rise further over the coming 72 hours. As a result, 24 districts of the country have been rampaged by the water of flood, and many roads, railways, and embankments got destroyed. According to local newspapers published on August 18, 2017, the government has also opened 1,392 emergency flood shelters, with an estimated 0.3 million people have taken shelter. Affected communities are suffering by lack of temporary shelters, safe food and drinking water, and access to emergency medical services. The government of Bangladesh has allocated of 6,913 tons of GR rice and GR cash of 24,525,000 taka have been distributed among the flood-affected population. Moreover, many people in different districts are in extreme need of relief, food, shelter, and purified drinking water. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.